How to create AI-generated videos using Vidnoz AI. What is Vidnoz AI? Vidnoz AI can help you create videos for platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So, let's say you are running a small TikTok channel and you need someone to handle news updates or how-to videos. Instead of hiring a whole person, you could just upload your script to Vidnoz AI. They've got over 900 avatars to choose from, so you can pick one that fits your vibe. Plus, you can even change the AI voice to make it sound even better. If you are not satisfied with the available avatar options, you can upload your own photos to create a custom avatar. The process is simple and user-friendly. Moreover, Vidnoz AI includes templates for different scenarios, such as breaking news, how-tos, and explainers, allowing users to choose the best one for their content. But that's not all. Vidnoz AI's new feature allows users to create conversations between two AI avatars using scripts. This free tool simplifies video generation. How do you make an AI-generated video? Now that we have covered the basics, it's time to create your AI video. First, you'll need a script, preferably 1 to 3 minutes long. Once you have your script, go to the Vidnoz AI website. Create a new project. Choose your desired template. Click on the Avatar button at the top and select your preferred avatar. Alternatively, you can upload your photos to create a personalized avatar. Enter the script in the Speech Text dialog box below. Select the desired voice for your avatar. Alternatively, you can upload your voice samples to clone your voice. Adjust the speed, pitch, and volume settings by clicking on the Options menu. Edit the on-screen text to your desired output. Preview your video. Click Generate, and that's it. While AI video generation is a primary feature, Vidnoz AI provides a comprehensive suite of additional functionalities. The platform includes an array of video editing tools, empowering users to refine their AI-generated videos and add final touches. Moreover, Vidnoz AI offers 20 supplementary features, such as face swapping capabilities and the generation of music and cartoons.